The routes are still coming in too fast. We need to slow the conveyor. I'll contact maintenance.
The routes are clean now, we can slow the drum. Acknowledge, I'll prep the next crate.
The flow rate on the water spray seems high, but
It's necessary to get the deep stains out before the next stage.
I need another empty crate over here. Coming right up, we're moving fast today.
Is the dust capture running at full capacity?
It appears so. The levels are optimal.
The inlet temperature seems a bit low.
Okay, increasing the airflow now.
The readings are stable now, we're getting consistent evaporation.
Good. I've logged the current settings.
the thermal slice looks stable at 37 Celsius.
Confirmed. Logging the reading now. Check the flow rate on the chute. It seems backed up.
I am adjusting it now.
The pressure is normalizing after the adjustment.
All right, maintain this flow rate for the next batch.
Checkpoint 4 is clear, seal is secure.
Good. Log that and continue monitoring the input pressure.
This animation clearly shows how the VT separator removes the metal contaminants from the flow. This animation clearly shows how the VT separator removes the metal contaminants from the flow.
The powder is fully loaded.
Acknowledged. Initiating the sterilization sequence now. The seal is secure.
The powder is fully loaded.
Acknowledged. Initiating the sterilization sequence now. The seal is secure.
The flow rate looks consistent with the target metrics.
Yes, the VT7 system is performing optimally today.
We're showing a 7% deviation on the VT2 process.
Acknowledged. Maintaining current parameters.
Three more for this one.
Okay, sliding this one out now.
The throughput on the VT1000 is exceeding projections by 10%.
The arm placement is flawless. Look at that alignment.
Is that tight enough?
Yeah, looks good. We are all set.
You're good. Keep coming straight. All right, setting it down now. Look secure. Pull out slow.
That's locked down tight.
Confirmed. Seal matches the manifest.
right, bring it back. Hold it right there. And stop.
The maintenance report for line 3 is still pending. We can't afford another stoppage.
I know. I'm heading there now to follow up with the supervisor.
Girl, I am so ready to go home. I know, right? Did you finish the quota?
From the moment it leaves the ship, we track your cargo every step of the way to the VT factory process.